ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. wish you all the best.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about of the AC voltage applied in a pure inductor. AC voltage applied in a pure inductor. If AC voltage is applied to the one electrical circuit of the, that time I have connected to the one inductor, that time what happen means potential is lead or current is lead or potential is lag or current is lag, how much the phase angle having, how that angle is how much having, and everything. What is the explanation? Now I will one of the AC power supply of voltage having one pure inductor is mine connected. Now here the AC voltage is E equal to E naught sin omega t applied mine, but this AC potential purpose, this inductance is EMF of the produced, this EMF of the produced E equal minus L di by dt is produced. Now current is passing through this inductance, means that time what happened, the potential is lead or current is lead, how much lead means generally the EMF of the potential release time E equal to minus L di by dt, EMF of potential E equal to minus L di by dt. Now here mind the EMF of the potential is the magnitude of the potential considered, means E magnitude equal to L di by dt. Now E equal to L di by dt. Generally here E is the potential E equal to E naught sin omega t. Now here EMF of the potential also potential, E is also potential. Now E equal to capital E mine taken. Now small e replaced capital E taken, means E equal to L di by dt. Now L converted to left side, E by L equal to di by dt. This dt is converted to the left side, means di equal to E by L into dt. Now here E is the E naught sin omega t substitution, di equal E naught sin omega t by L into dt. Now integral on both sides, integral di equal, here E naught is the common term and L also common term, means outside E naught by L is outside, remaining integral sin omega t to dt. Now here integral di is the I equal to E naught by L. Now integral sin omega t dt means minus cos omega t by omega. Now this omega is converted to writing to the outside, means I equal to E naught by L omega into minus cos omega t. But this minus cos omega t is writing to the another form, is the I equal to E naught by L omega sin omega t minus pi by 2. Now minus cos omega t is converted to the another form. Now here comparison of the E equal to E naught sin omega t, and now current based I equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi. Here I naught is equal to E naught by L omega, but here I equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2, potential E equal to E naught sin omega t. Here the phase angle is the pi by 2 having phase angle phi equal to pi by 2 of the phase angle having. The phase angle is the pi by 2 time. Here potential lead or current is lead, means confirmly here the potential is lead compared to the current. Now potential lead means potential lead, current lag. How to representation of the potential lead and how to representation of the current lag. If you suppose here positive is coming, means that is lead, here negative hang means lag, current lag means. Now here potential is considered here, means potential is lead, the potential of the also inductance of potential. VL is the lead and current is the lag. This potential and current in between of the phase angle is the 90 degree, means pi by 2. Or another method representation of the means current lag and potential lead, means VL. Phase angle is pi by 2. Whatever representation is the correct, because of the we need a potential lead and current lag. Here potential lead having current lag, here potential lead having current lag having. But how to representation of the waveform and how much power of the these pure inductor connected time of the AC voltage applied time. Phase angle is the phi equal to pi by 2. Now this phase angle time power P average is equal to the Vrms I RMS cos phi. But phase angle is the 90 degree. Pi by 2 means or 90 degree. Cos 90 is the 0, means P average is equal to the 0. One complete of the oscillation based of the P average is equal to 0. But how to representation of the waveform means here potential VRI based. Now here time based. Potential is the E equal to E naught sin omega t, but the potential is lead, current is lag. Current is lag is the phase angle is the 90 degree based of the lag having, means here 90 degree based of the lag is started. Now these dotted lines is the current I equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2. These are the lagging of the current, these are the leading of the potential. But what is the explanation of the that L, what is the explanation of inductive reactance based of the means? Now generally current is equal to already maximum current I naught equal to E naught by L omega is already we wrote previously. Now L omega is the generally suppose R considered, means E naught by R, means this L omega is the inductive reactance. XL is equal to L omega. Now this XL equal to L omega means XL equal to L omega means 2 pi f. Here XL is directly proportional to the f and XL is directly proportional to the L. Now XL is directly proportional to f. How to representation means, now inductive reactance based XL and frequencies of based f means directly proportional. This is the sum of the phase angle having phi. But generally here slope based of the tan phi is the opposite by adjacent. Opposite is the XL by adjacent is the f. XL means L omega. L omega means what? 2 pi f by f. FF cancel. Now tan phi is equal to 2 pi L. And same as it is, now XL is directly proportional to the L. Here phase angle is the phi having. Now tan phi equal opposite by adjacent XL by L. XL means L 2 pi f by L. LL cancel. Tan phi is equal to the 2 pi f. These are the explanation of at the AC voltage applied in a pure conductor. Sorry, pure inductor. Pure inductor time the average power is 0 and current is lead or potential is lead, means potential is lead, current is lag. That time the phase angle is the 90 degree. After the current of the I naught equal to E naught by L omega, the inductive reactance is XL equal to L omega. Omega is the 2 pi f. These are the explanation of the AC voltage applied in a pure inductor. Thank you for watching this video.